Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we will be looking at the stock which are giving the potential with low risk setup for tomorrow trading session. First of all, we will be analyzing with Nifty. So let's start with Nifty analysis. This is the Nifty futures chart for this current expiry, and this is the 15-minute chart. I'll show you the trade which I took today and the logic behind it. As you can see, this was some choppy movement in the previous trading session, and the moment it opened today, it had a very big candle to the upside, breaking all these small swing highs. And in the action, it was making a new structure high here. If we just look at the recent price movement, it was a quite new structure high here, but it was not giving a good retracement, so there was no entry possible here. I just looked for the next entry. Trading is a game of patience, and once you are not getting the setups as per your rules and system logic, you do not take the trade. Just sit aside, sit on the sidelines and enjoy the formation of candles. All right. So this is the next thing, which I still did not get a very good setup to enter. And after that, while sitting quietly, this was the setup I found which was having very low risk. It is a very a small swing which has been made on bullish premise. It kept on breaking this high, this high. So once it started, this thing, once it broke the structure like this, you can infer that the small swing to the upside is completed, and I was just waiting for the retracement here at 61.8. In fact, I got the entry at 17,620. Not exactly on this futures, but I had some good lots on the CE side on the call options. So I bought as soon as it touched 660. I just initiated buy entry on call options, and it was a quite easy trade. We just needed the patience to hold it. It was doing some choppy action here, so it was some negative, some positive, some negative, positive MTM. Once it reached this 17,715 on the futures chart, I just closed all my positions. I was not too sure that you can see here is the supply, or here you can see previous zone where the price has struggled. So this was my quite obvious 127 extension exit. As you can see, whatever the logic is, as per my trading 618 system, you can go through all the rules and regulations which I have formulated in the video. I'll be pasting the link in the comment section or the top of the right corner of this particular video. You can see that. So as per the system, I booked all my profits here. Since it was having some slippage, there are some couple of points here and there, but my profit was booked here. After that, I did not take any trade, and still what we can do for tomorrow. As you can see, as you all know, I am taking one trade per day. If it is positive, then okay. If it is not positive, then it is okay. Mostly it is one trade. Sometimes it is no trade, and very rarely it is couple of trades. So this swing was the swing which had the momentum to the upside, in which I took the trade. And as per 3-minute chart, now this is the workable swing. Very, very weak swing to the upside, and I suppose that this structure won't sustain here. There was no closing above this previous high. Instead, it was getting rejected here. So I expect something like this. It will give a deep retracement. Why deep retracement? Because buyers are not in good control here. So there is a possibility that they will be pushing the price very much below to lower side of this area. And once I found a similar logic as I executed here for this swing, then I'll be executing the trade again here with a positive bias. So my area for confluence will be around this candle. if I show you, overall this will be the area where I will be looking for a long entry, right? And once this is formed, even we will be looking at the price action once some retracement is going on here. So this will be a rough area where you can initiate some long entry with a target of 1 to 1. I don't expect that it will be giving a good upthrust, but still I can hope that it will be a good long trade in the area of 17,660 and 17,682. So, okay, let's look at the stocks which are having the potential for tomorrow, which I have shortlisted. Coming on to the 15-minute chart, this is ABFRL, Adit Birla Fashion. It has made a quite good swing and will be working for a retracement tomorrow. And if it gets in the region of 309.5 or 309.7, there will be a long entry. SL will be 307.75, okay, and target will be 1 to 1 extension on this particular swing, which is around 316.35. Another one is Manapuram. As you can see, yesterday it has made a swing like that, and today it made a new structure high here. So when we are doing very short term trading, we are just looking maybe couple of days back prior price action, or maybe 3 days. So as you can see, it has made a new structure high here. So I will be hoping a long entry around 104, roughly 104. SL will be 103 and target will be 106.5. Next is Eicher Motors. Okay, Eicher Motors is a risky trade, which I'll be attempting if it falls into this area. In fact, it should fall into this area because it is still in this particular range. So I'll be opening the long trade around 33.85 to 33.90. And since the SL is very, very small, your risk to reward will be very high. Getting my point? It will be very high. We'll be putting the stop loss just below this, and target will be 127, around 34.95. So keep an eye on this. The same logic applies for IGL. As you can see in this area, buyers are getting active. You see long wicks here. So I'll be opening this position for long in this area around 414.5 or 414. And SL will be very small, which will be 412.5 or 45. And target, if it captures, it will be a very good trade. It will be huge RNR. If you see around this area, it will be 1 to 1 extension. It will be 4 to 5 R. So it will be quite good trade. So these are the targets for 434.5, and the entry will be around 415 roughly. So these are the candidates which I am hoping that they will be giving a good RNR setup for tomorrow. And if you like the content, please do share with your friends and family so that maximum people can get the benefit of this trading system. And if you have any query about my previous content, previous systems which I have shared a system which is for portfolio building in small caps. That is a very must. I think I must recommend that is a must watch video. I think nobody will be explaining the content which I have shared. Even for after getting lots of money, people won't be sharing that. So if you do like the contents, please give the feedback in the comment section or post your comments, queries. I'll be coming back with the answers. Thank you very much. Till then, happy trading.